Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Waterproof G30 gloves. So these are a thin pair of 2.5mm neoprene gloves, 5-fingered as well. So this is great for the sort of warmer months where you want a little bit extra dexterity. You don't need the sort of big clunky 5mm where you kind of lose your sense of touch. You just want something to protect your hands from, so the usual scrapes and whatnot, and a bit of a chill. So even though the brand name is waterproof, your hands will get wet. I just have to throw that in there. 2.5mm of neoprene, nice and stretchy, but yeah, you still get that dexterity. So these are very simple gloves. You don't have any sort of fancy sort of seals on the inside. The edge of the neoprene is just raw cuts, but you do have one big open panel, so they're quite easy to get on and off. On the palm side, so the palm side has this detailing. So this sort of detailing, when it gets wet, it gets quite grippy. So you're going to be able to hold on to things that little bit easier. I put them on, and the stitching on the inside, it doesn't rub. That's quite comfortable. It's not sharp like some can be, because this looks like blind lock stitch. So it doesn't go all the way through the neoprene, so that's going to slow the sort of water ingress into the glove. The packaging, I should also mention, is plastic free, so well done to Waterproof for that. It's all made out of sort of paper and cardboard, but as an overall glove, it's a smart pair of gloves. If you want something nice and thin, but you don't want to go to the sort of the Amara gloves because you want a little bit of thermal protection, then these are definitely a contender worth looking at. These are the Waterproof G30 gloves. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.